Well, there's a severe thunderstorm right in front of us. Probably hear the lightning or thunder. Just found out a few minutes ago this storm, I guess, is capable of producing golf ball size. Whoa! Holy crap, that was right in front of me. Holy shit. Come on, thunder. Oh, that was right there. Holy crap. This storm is heading right for me. I'm on a little side street. My house is just back behind me. Whoa, that's a flash. Oh, there's another one. I really don't know if I should be off my bike because there are bolts everywhere. Holy crap. Do it. That's a couple of flashes. Do it. Come on. Whoa, I think I caught that. I think I did catch that. This is a huge storm. I've never seen golf ball sized hail before. I've only seen like $half. There are just bolts dropping out of this. My God. Come on, baby. Do it. That's just a flash. Come on. Oh, wow, I didn't see, damn it. I didn't capture it. Ooh. Oh. Just heard a car go off.